Good afternoon. My name is Alex Franz. I'm the PR manager here at Ducati North America, and today we're here at the 2019 IMS Long Beach show, and I wanted to present to you the new 2020 Streetfighter V4S. This is a very important bike to us and very anticipated this year. This is basically a super naked bike of our V4S model, where we removed all the main fairings here to show you what the engine is all about. It's more upright position, so it's going to be a little bit more comfortable for the street. It has excellent power, 208 horsepower,
awesome.
90.5 foot-pounds of torque. So it is, it's got more torque in the first 3 gears than our V4S, and it's going to deliver that best for the street. Some of the really awesome things that you can't see that are very similar to the V4S model is that it has a counter-rotating crankshaft. Basically, it rotates in the reverse direction, so that way when it's not fighting the gyroscopic force of the front and rear wheels, so it helps neutralize that effect. So it makes these bikes really easy to maneuver in tight corners and back and forth. We have the electronic Olin suspension this year, front and rear.
Okay.
And we also have the auto blipper and quick shifter, so it's clutchless upshifts and auto blip shifts down.
Fantastic.
And on this side, you can see the beautiful single-sided swing arm. If you remember on this side, it is Marchesini forged aluminum wheels.
Oh, fantastic.
And one of the most important things are the winglets. So the winglets up front that you can see is a trademark of our new superbikes. And basically what that does is allow us to have a little bit more downforce for aerodynamics. We obviously have wheelie control, and that prevents a wheelie, but when wheelie control kicks in, that is taking away power. Well, we want to not take away power, so we can prevent that by using these wings, by keeping the front wheel down, to not even have the front wheelie control kick in.
I can see a huge crowd here today on presentation of this bike. Definitely raised tons of attention.
It is. So this is our 2020 Streetfighter V4S model. It's going to retail here in the States at $23,995.